I'm coming clean. If you followed my content for a while, you know I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder in my mid-teens. This means that I'd have phases of extreme happiness called manic episodes and phases of extreme sadness called depressive episodes, and each of them lasted around a couple weeks.
So, kaning bipolar state na to or bipolar disorder is not merely a mood swing. Hindi siya mood swing lang na basta-basta lang. It's actually a fight sa mga powerful states sa ato ang brain. We have the manic state and of course the depressed state. And in a way, during the manic state, shoot up ang ato ang dopamine level na makakause sa ato ang increased motivation, increased happiness, no, nga magahatag og alertness, aggressiveness, less sleep because very active kayo, and more talk at some point. And sa ato ang depressive state is that mo function ang ato ang prefrontal cortex kay nga sa ato atubangan and i-drop niya ang dopamine level. And if that happens, dara na dayon ang mga loneliness, mga sadness, mga feelings of being empty, and of course it will cause depression. And since it is a battle of two states, powerful states sa ato ang brain, it is important nga ato ni siyang ipa-konsulta sa specialist para at least mag-take og medicine para makontrol ni siyang bipolar state.
Keep going.